Hello my friend Will here over at forex.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, quick video here, just a quick trade update on the Kiwi Japanese yen. So it's a trade that was entered by the MacBot. So I'm just going over to my VPS here, and you can see the trade here was executed by the MacBot. Now, anyone knows EA trading, when an EA takes a trade, gives a wee arrow here to tell you in the chart where the EA took the trade. So this proves that it was taken by the MacBot. Okay, so it was off an hourly divergence here that we got it, and the MacBot entered the trade. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. See that it actually does work. It does take live trades, and yeah, so it's a nice trade. I'm just going to play this one out. Okay, so I'll keep you updated on the trade. Just wanted to share with you the trade on the MacBot. Looking good. So, to access the MacBot Pro system, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxas.com. But seriously guys, this here automates 95% of your trading. Click the link below, get involved before it gets taken off the market. So I'll speak to you soon. Will@fxas.com.